Hello student, now we start the chapter 4 determinants. I hope all of you solve all the problems of the matrices. This determinant chapter is fully related to the matrices. Now first we start the meaning of the determinant. To every square matrix of order n, we can associate a number which is either real or complex called determinant of a square matrix. So for every square matrix, remember, for every square matrix we can associate a number which is either real or complex. That number is called determinant of a square matrix. For example, A. A is the matrix consists of the elements A, B, C, D. Then determinant of A is written as these two parallel lines between them is A. We in the earlier we called it as modulus, but it is not modulus, it is the symbol of the determinant. So between these two bars we write A, and for these elements, all these elements will be written between these two bars. For matrix symbol is like this, but determinant symbol is simple bar A, B, C, D. Or in short we write DET. It is the short form of the determinant A. Now note that for matrix A, determinant A is read as determinant of A and not modulus of A. Remember this. And second thing, only square matrix have determinant. We cannot find the rectangular matrix. For the rectangular matrix, we cannot find the determinant. Now suppose we have determinant of a square matrix of order 1. Let A is equal to matrix 3. Let A is equal to matrix 3 be a matrix of order 1. Then determinant of A, or in symbol determinant A is equal to 3. 3 is the real number. So value of determinant A is only 3 associated to the matrix A of order 1. Now come to the determinant of square matrix of order 2. So let A have 2 rows and 2 columns. So A11, A12, A21, 22 be a matrix of order 2 by 2. Then determinant of A is defined as determinant A in symbol or like this, and we write the elements between two bars. To open this determinant, we will cross multiply the elements. We first multiply A11, A22 minus A12, A21. Now after solving this gives us the value of the determinant A. For this we will take the example. So example 1, evaluate the determinant 2, 4 minus 1, 2. Remember this, we always multiply in this order. First these two multiply minus product of these two numbers. So 2 into 2 gives us 4 minus 4 into minus 1 is minus 4, and this minus 4 minus become plus 4. So value of this determinant is 8. Now come to the second example. Now this is the question number 2 of your exercise 4.1. evaluate the determinant cos theta minus sin theta and cos theta. So remember, we have to cross multiply. Order remain this, cos theta into cos theta minus of sin theta into sin theta. So cos theta into cos theta is cos square. Sin theta into sin theta is sin square theta. And this minus become plus. So cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. So this is the example of the trigonometric function. This is the example of algebraic. Now come to the one more with x square. Question number 2 of second part of exercise 4.1. Evaluate this determinant. Now we solve this. Remember the order of the multiplication. Multiply these two minus multiply of these two elements. Remember, it is the identity of the x cube plus 1. X square minus x plus 1 into x plus 1. It is the identity of x cube plus 1. And x minus 1, x plus 1, it is the identity of, by using the identity, it is equal to x square minus 1. So, open the bracket. Minus plus 1. So, it gives you answer x cube minus x square plus 2. I hope now you understand the method of solving the determinant of order 2. Take one more example, means question number 3 of your exercise 4.1. If matrix A is equal to 1, 2, 4, 2, then show that determinant of twice of A is equal to 4 times determinant of A. Look at here carefully. The given to us is the matrix and we have to find out the value of, in left hand side, value of determinant of twice of A. So, to find out its value, first we multiply 2A. 2A, remember in matrix, if matrix is multiplied with some scalar quantity, then it means each element should be multiplied by that scalar. So, 2A means each element of the matrix A will multiply by 2. So, this gives us the matrix 2A. Corresponding to this matrix, the determinant of 2A. We write the elements in the form of determinant. So, open the determinant. 2 into 4 minus 4 into 8. 2 into 4 is 8 minus 32. This gives us minus 24. Remember, matrix, we cannot open the matrix because matrix is the arrangement of the numbers. But corresponding to matrix, the determinant is a real number. So, we can find out the real number corresponding to the determinant 2A is minus 24. I hope it is clear to all of you. Now, this is the left hand side. Now, come to the right hand side is 4 times determinant A. Now, determinant A again. Determinant A. Put up all matrix, represent the determinant 1, 2, 4, 2. Open it. 1 into 2, 2 minus 2 into 4. So, 2 minus 8 is equal to minus 6. 4 times determinant A gives you 4 into minus 6 means minus 24. So you see left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence determinant of 2A is equal to 4 times determinant of A. Now come to the one more question. Question number 8 of your exercise 4.1. Now if two determinants are equal given to you, then x is equal to 4 options are given to you. It means we have to find out the value of x. So two determinants are equal given to us. So we find out the value of the determinant. Clear? In matrix, if two matrices are equal, then their corresponding elements are equal. But in determinants, if two determinants are equal, then it means their value is same. Means after expanding the determinant, its value is same. It doesn't mean that corresponding elements are equal. So that's why we first find out the value of both the determinants. So first determinant have value x into x means x square. 18 into 2 is 36. X square minus 36 is equal to 6 into 6, 36. Minus 2 into 18 is 36. Both the determinants are equal. So these two values are equal. Now solving this, we get x square minus 36 is equal to 0. Means x square is equal to 36. So x is equal to plus minus root 36 or x is equal to plus minus 6. So correct option is B. So I hope all of you understand the value of the determinant of order 2. In the next video, I will give you the step of calculation how to find out the determinant of matrix 3. Continue in the second video.